Want to know how to change your Telegram app icon? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of changing your Telegram app icon. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, click on the Telegram app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Similarly, tap on the settings option. Then click on the chat settings option right below the settings. Now scroll down until you find app icon. As you can see, there are altogether 6 icons. The first 3 icons are available for free, whereas the remaining 3 icons needs to be purchased. Now select the icon you like the most and tap on it. Here, I'm going to select Aqua as my Telegram app icon. So this is how you can change your Telegram app icon. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.